Sometimes it goes off, sometimes it goes on. So this time, hopefully, we're going to make it stronger. So next time, it's like the wires were just weak.
Did you fix the wires? Yes, try that one. Yes, it's working. It's working.
That's working. Okay. So it looks like there's an issue with the wiring was twisted. So I'm going to show you how to fix the turn signal on a Hyundai Santa Fe. If you look at this car, it's a Hyundai Santa Fe 2013, and look at the left turn signal. See, it's working. If you look at the rear turn signal, it's working. Look at the mirror side signal, the left one is working. And if you look at the one that's ahead, it is working. But I want to show you what happens if you turn on the right turn signal. So if you turn on the right turn signal, you see it's moving very fast, showing that there's a wiring problem. So if you come back this way, look at the right turn signal. If you look at the mirror part, it is working. If you look at the front one, it is working. But the back one is not working. So it's like a wiring problem. So I would like to see if you can fix this one. So if you look carefully, it's not working. So let's see what to do. First thing you do is to open the trunk.
The trunk open. This thing is high. Oh my god.
So when the trunk opens, next thing to do is to extract the valve, the whole system back there. So then you hold this one. So first you want to.
Oh, you got it open. And now you get a screw to unscrew that, right? You gotta open the other one, then get a screw to open both of them.
This part was broken by those mechanics who are trying to fix it. Okay, so once you have these two open, next thing is to unscrew
Unscrew.
those screws. So get the screw out, plus the washer. Put it here. Get this one out. Apparently there's no washer here. I don't know why. So next thing will be to get this whole thing out. You just move that up. Next will be to get this bulb out. So how you do it is that you wiggle this part
Wiggle it.
as you push this part away.
Wiggle this part a little harder until.
Go back and so just pause.
Okay.
So once you get this one off, you'll see that this part here is supposed to go inside here, and these two pins go here. From this side, these two pins going to go here. So to get the bulb off, you simply twist this part here. You twist like this and pull it out.
Oh my gosh.
So get the bulb off. Put it in. So let us see which part is the turn signal.
There's a spider web in our car.
brake light. This is a turn signal. You see, this turn signal. So apparently, this signal is there's a wiring issue. So that sometimes it goes off, sometimes it goes on. So this time, hopefully, we're going to make it stronger. So next time, we'll go ahead. You see, it's not working.
Oh, yeah, it's not working.
But if you pull it out, you see it's working.
It just stopped working. Oh no.
Just stopped working again.
Okay.
It's the kind of weak. There's a weakness somewhere. I don't know where the weakness is.
Oh.
So let's pause.
Okay.
See, sometimes it works. See, it's working now. You put it in. Set it on that side. Set it on that side.
Which side? Oh yeah. Oh here.
See, it's working. Just like there's a wiring problem. So looking for a way to make it secure so that it doesn't have this problem. It's gone off again. It's gone on. When you push it in, it goes off. Push out, it goes on. In, it goes off. So I don't know what's really happening. It's on. Off. On. Off. So maybe it's a weakness somewhere. Okay, no.
Maybe it's something with the wire or something.
It's the sensor somewhere or what?
I feel like it's the wire or something. Every time you just do it there, it starts functioning, but when you put it back, it's not functioning. There's a problem.
So I really don't know what's happening. When you move close here, it goes off. This way it goes off. This way it goes off. This way it goes off. Let's try to make it tighten. It's hot.
Oh. Oh, you got it off. I feel like it has to do with the connection and how tight it is and how tight it is.
Let's try again.
I feel like it has to do with the connection. Does that have to do? Does that do?
Yeah, these wires.
Oh, I think it's something with those wires. I think their weakness is bending too much, like that. So I think I have to do something about those wires.
Just pause. Looks like the wires were just weak.
Did you fix the wires?
Yeah, no, it's working. I just said the wires were twisted, so they didn't move back and the wires were twisted. This thing is close now.
Let's put the screws back.
Okay, let's try and see. Let's try and see. How about you? So now let's try.
Oh,
It's working.
yes, it's working.
Let's try the other one.
Yes, try that one. Yes, it's working. It's working.
Oh, it's working. Okay. So it looks like there was an issue with the wiring was twisted. So we have now fixed the car. Hopefully we won't have problems again because of that. Okay, thank you very much for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button to help my channel grow.
Okay, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and let us get to 1K subscribers.
So we can get our YouTube button.
Okay, bye. See you later.
Bye. Bye, guys. See you in a future video.